Hi guys, welcome to another new video, and for those who are new to this channel, this is Vasalicious, where we cover all the inside experiences about the places and the restaurants. And if you guys are the beginners as well and want to start up your own YouTube channel, or if you guys just want to make some really nice and creative videos, then trust me, this is the right place you have landed to. And just before we move forward, I would like to request if you can just subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest notification. Now, since we have started this channel, we have got the comments on how and what gadget we use to film our videos, and this is what this whole video will be about. We use Crane M2 from the company called Xeon, and this is the gimbal which we used for mostly all our videos. And if you guys would have noticed that in our videos we just use Crane M2 and phone, that's it. The reason is that we don't carry cameras around because it's a bit of a struggle, and also if anybody sees you with the camera, then they ask for the permit, and just to avoid all these things, we are just happy with this gadget and with the phone. And the result is actually very close to the professional quality, and would just like to show you guys the glimpse of it. Xeon Crane M2 gives the best cinematic shots with its new handheld stabilizer, and also it offers great compatibility to multiple devices such as GoPro, DSLR cameras, smartphones, and even action cameras. Now, talking about what comes inside the Crane M2 box and how it works, and if it's worth buying it or not, we will cover it all. And so let's go and see what's inside this box. This Crane M2 comes in a very small case. This is the one with the following products inside: Crane M2 gimbal, mini tripod, camera screw, quick release play, phone holder, and USB-C cable. And also this case is pretty solid and strong enough to keep your gear safe. So now we're just gonna go and fix the gadget. First, you take the mini tripod, and this is the Crane M2 gimbal. You just put this around over here, and then right over here you can see this is for the lock and unlock button. So you just have to put it unlock so it's able to open right over here, and then you just have to face these buttons, right? That's actually like my trick, you know. I put this thing right in front of my face so that I know where exactly my phone will come. So next is you take this quick release holder. It's a plate basically. You just have to press this down and it's fixed right over here. This is basically to put the phone holder and your phone also. The next thing is, this is the phone holder. You place it over here, and this is where the screw will go, right over here. Yes, this is done. Then you take your phone and then you place that right over here. You have to push it around. Push it around, and then once you're able to do that, you can just fix the screw button. Like, you can just put the phone like way at the back so it's balanced properly, and once done, you lock everything, all done. Then this is where you switch it on. You will see the modes right in front of you, right over here. These are the modes, you can see it, and you are good to film. And here are a few of the following. Pan follow mode. In this mode, the camera actually follows the movement of the gimbal from left to right. Lock mode. When you want to face your camera to a particular direction, it locks your gimbal towards the direction. POV mode. This one gives you complete movement. You can pan, tilt and roll with it. Then there is a selfie mode. If you triple tap the trigger button on the gimbal, the camera will switch to the selfie mode. Vertical mode. In this one, you just have to double tap the trigger button on the gimbal to go to the vertical mode. These are the few of the basic modes which you can use it, and it's actually one of the best, like, to get all these stabilized shots. It's been more than 1 year I have been using Crane M2, and I believe this is actually one of the most useful gadgets, especially for all the content creators like us. And that's the reason I just want to highlight few of the best points about this product. One is that it has great build quality, portable, easy to carry anywhere, perfect battery life. It can carry a variety of different cameras, and also it can be charged with the power bank as well. And the only disadvantage of this product I find is that it is very hard to actually do the readjustment and rebalancing it, because it doesn't actually do the alignment by itself. So guys, this brings to an end of this video, and hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed it while giving out all the information on Crane M2. And if you guys are serious about filmmaking, then would highly recommend to go for this product, as it's one of the best for stabilization. And if you guys are interested to buy this product, you can purchase it from the below link on the description, which is from the Amazon. And until then, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.